Hey guys, I want to talk a little bit about Disney Plus and some issues I'm having. So, if you're trying to go to the browser and stuff and you're trying to view it that way through your TV, you might see an error that says, let's see, what was it again? It says error code 83, and I have a way to fix that. I've been trying to think of ways to get around this. So I'll just show you a couple things on the video and what helped me. So here's a couple things here. As you see, it says Disney Plus launches today, blah, blah, blah. It says Samsung Smart TVs, which I have. I have a 2015 Samsung. It's like an 8500 series, which is a pretty high-end Samsung. But the thing about it, if you read this part, Disney Plus is available on 2016 models and up. So that brought me to my problem because, like I said, I have a 2015, right? So I was like, not a big deal. And the reason is you can't download an app on this older TV. So I was like, not a big deal. I'll just go to the browser. But when you get to the browser, let's see here. So currently I am signed in with my account up here, Disney Plus. But what the problem is when you try to stream a video, you might see this code right here. Okay, something went wrong in the error code 83. So if you look up error code 83, what that's talking about is your browser is not supported to get onto the server to stream it. And I think that's where the biggest issue is. So I'm downstairs and I'm like, well, that's not cool, you know? This is living room, trying to browse. So I come up with the fix. So here we go. Here's the fix. On the TV as a workaround. So this going to work with Samsung phones, not all of them. I think the Samsung View, hang on, let me disconnect. Okay, the Samsung View right here, I believe first came out in the S7 and up models in the Samsung Galaxy. So if you just go to Smart View, here's my TV at the top, right? So we're just going to connect to the TV. So if you've never done this before, it pretty much just mirrors everything up on your TV from your cell phone. So up here at the top, I have my Disney Plus app. We'll click that. So now I'm inside the app. As you see, we're on the TV. For example, Avatar is up here. So we'll just click on some Avatar. We'll just hit play. And let's see. There we go. As you see, we are watching Avatar. Or we could click under something different, I guess. We have Mickey Mouse here. I'll just select something different. All right, let's see what we got with this guy. There it goes. You got Mickey Mouse on your phone, Mickey Mouse on your TV. And as you see, the quality, it's the same. Pretty cool, guys. So, if this helps you out in any way, let me know. Good luck. Hopefully you don't have the same issues as I did with your model TV. Let me know how things go in the comments below. Subscribe. All that good stuff. Thanks for the support, guys. Bye.